Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. In this video, we will understand one of the most important concepts in computers, the difference between hardware and software. Let's start with hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. These include devices like the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, and storage devices. Now let's talk about software. Software is a set of instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. Without software, the hardware cannot perform any task. Let's understand this better. When you click on an application, the software gives instructions to the hardware. The CPU processes those instructions, and the output is shown on the monitor. Think of hardware as the body and software as the brain. The body can exist without the brain, but it cannot function properly. In the same way, hardware needs software to work. For example, your mouse is a hardware device. But without an operating system, the mouse will not respond. Another example is a computer without any software installed. It will not be useful, even though all hardware components are present. So both hardware and software are equally important and always work together. To summarize, hardware is the physical part of a computer, and software is the set of instructions that controls it. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TechRoots by Roat and continue your learning journey.